Hi everyone. So in this video, we will be talking about Cognizant Gen Z hiring 2025, updated exam pattern, and there are some changes which I want to talk about. Okay, some changes also Cognizant did. Okay, so that we will also discuss. So first of all, starting with the assessment. So this kind of mail candidates got, in which the communication assessment is on 13th of November, then the aptitude assessment is on 14th of November, technical assessment is on 15th of November. Okay, so starting with communication assessment. So for the communication assessment, if you guys can see here, so this is the flow in which they are asking reading section and listening for 23 questions, speaking 4 questions, grammar 34 question, and passages 16 question. Okay. First of all, now it is a elimination. Now it is a elimination round. I will explain how. Okay. Now it is a elimination round. This is the first change. How they are taking, I'll just explain you. Okay. So basically there is reading section and listening section. Basically in this you will be getting 23 question. You need to read some sentences which are displayed on the screen and you need to repeat them. In the listening, you will be listening some audios in US, UK, Ireland accent. You need to repeat the same. Okay. You need to repeat the same whatever you are listening. Then there is speaking for 4 questions, in which you will be getting 4 questions which you need to listen and sorry, which you need to speak. So you will be getting one topic. Okay, you will be getting one topic in which you need to speak. Okay, grammar 34 question. Generally you will be getting the grammatical question like fill in the blanks here. Fill in the blanks. Okay, so majorly filling the blanks you will be getting in the grammatical question. There will be 34 question. Then passages 16 question. In passages, majorly you will be getting the passage. Based on the passage, there will be some question like question 1, question 2, question 3. After reading the passage, you need to answer the question based on the paragraphs or the passages. So this kind of communication assessment you will be getting. Okay. The changes as I have talked about, it's an elimination round. How it is an elimination round, I will explain to you. Okay. Next is aptitude pattern. Okay. So first of all, understand about this. Communication assessment on 13th and aptitude on 14th. Okay. If you cleared, like first of all, you will attempt the communication assessment. Okay. After attempting the communication assessment, you will be attempting there is no elimination immediately after communication assessment. Then you will be attending the aptitude assessment. Okay. In the new flow, what they have did is, after attempting both communication and aptitude assessment, your score will be combined, and after combining the score, there will be elimination. Okay, there will be elimination based on your score. Based on your score. So basically, whatever you will be attempting here, okay, in communication assessment, in the aptitude assessment, there will be elimination based on your score. Okay, uh, after combining both. Now communication plus aptitude assessment is a elimination round. For aptitude assessment, there is quant plus DI for 30 questions, game based questions 6 questions, and duration will be 30 plus 80, that means 80 minutes. Okay. So first there will be quant plus DI in which 30 questions will be asked, and these 30 questions you need to solve in 30 minutes. Okay. Now you will be wondering how we can get these questions, what kind of questions we will get. So very similar kind of questions which we have uploaded here. I'll just show you. Go to this section which is actual previous year solution. You will be getting the mock test link in the description. In this we have updated the actual Cognizant MCQ questions with screenshot. So exact this kind of questions you will be getting in the aptitude, very very similar to that. This is the full set of the aptitude question. If you will do it, okay, and if you will do similar question like that, immediately you will be getting actually very very similar questions like this. Okay, so this material you can access here in the actual previous year question solution. The full PDF you will be getting here. Okay. After it, there is game based question for 6 questions. Okay, so for game based, see here, game based already in the mock test, 2 mock tests we have provided, in which you will be getting gamified assessment which you can attempt. Okay, in this gamified assessment you can get a good idea. Apart from this, we have updated the game based questions videos, part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5, part 6. So many parts
Hi
you will be
every
getting here. Okay. So based on these parts, actually you can solve the
Hi.
game-based questions. Okay. So multiple parts and videos are uploaded here. So you can check the gamified assessment videos as well. So you will be getting the good idea. Also for practicing the gamified assessment, we have provided one additional test with 15 question. Also, we have provided the website for practicing it. Okay. So these all the things you will be getting. Okay. Now, apart from this, it is a 80 minutes round. As I have mentioned, it is a elimination round with communication assessment. Okay. So basically, what you will be doing here in these 30 questions, you need to solve 25 plus because it's an online assessment. Gamified assessment also you need to reach to the good level, like at least 10 to 11. Okay. So that kind of level you should know. And duration will be 30 plus 50 minutes. For gamified assessment, it's 50 minutes. For aptitude, it is 30 minutes. Then changes. So now when you will attempt your communication assessment, first the communication assessment was non-elimination round previously, but now it is a elimination round. But the score will be combined with aptitude assessment. Okay, both scores will be combined. If you will clear both, then you will be moving forward with technical assessment. Okay, for technical assessment, this is the most difficult assessment for Cognizant. Okay, just remember my words. Communication is simple, aptitude assessment is simple because we already provided the question. Only the technical assessment is difficult. So for technical assessment, the important note for registration is the technical assessment skill cluster one is the default cluster which you will be getting. Other details you can see here. So depending upon your cluster, you will be getting the question. So there will be two coding questions. Okay, if you get cluster one, it is on Java. If you will get cluster two, it is on Python. Only these languages allowed. And if you will get cluster three, then C sharp. Okay, so based on your cluster, only this language will be allowed to solve the question. Apart from this, there will be two SQL questions. Okay, in each cluster. Then there is one web-based question, and for cluster two, there is cloud MCQ. Okay, now you will be wondering how we will be getting the previous year coding questions, previous year SQL question, web-based question which they are asking. So for that also we have provided the full material. Just go through here. So this is with the screenshots and solution you will be getting. So web-based also we have provided the questions with solution. Okay, see here for SQL also we have provided the previous year question with screenshots and solution. Coding question we have also provided the screenshot and the solutions. So each and everything we have provided with screenshots. Okay, so or for practice also for technical MCQ now they have added the technical MCQ as well in the technical assessment. So basically you will be getting 10 technical MCQ here. Okay, so this is also one new thing. 10 technical MCQ you will be getting. Okay, this is also one change in the technical assessment. So for technical MCQ, there is very hard questions. Okay, there is very hard question from technical MCQ. For that, we have provided some source for preparation, but I'm just frankly speaking, they are very, very luck based because the technical MCQs are like out of the box. You will not get those kind of MCQ anywhere. So very, very out of the box kind of question they ask in technical MCQ. So 10 MCQ also they will ask. So you can check here. Okay. So that kind of question they also ask. Okay. So this will be your technical assessment. After clearing the technical assessment, suppose if you will clear your technical assessment, now you have your interview. So I just want to talk about one thing. The technical assessment they have taken in person for 2026 batch, but I don't think it is for 2025 batch. So I don't think they will take it as in person. They will be taking virtually only. But now technical assessment is also the elimination round. Okay, so first elimination will be there after communication and aptitude. Second elimination will be there after technical assessment, and then there is third round, which is your interview. Based on your performance, you will be getting either Gen Z Pro, or Gen Z Next profile. Okay, so this will be your whole process. Everything I have mentioned with the details and all. So I hope you guys liked it. Thank you so much for watching.